Hello, welcome to the Brick Post Show. My name is Greg, and today I will be building the Fairground Collection Haunted House, new from Lego. It's got 3,231 pieces. It's the new 18 plus range with the stylish new box, and ever since I've seen this set advertised I really wanted it, so I bought it on the VIP release and it came the other day, so I'm going to build it for you now in full. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Wow, that's a big box. As you can see, it's got the 18 plus age range on there. Built mainly for adults, but I mean, obviously kids can have a go. It's slightly more challenging, I've heard. But yeah, right, look at that. 3,231 pieces. It's got a light brick, batteries included. Swing it around. Got all the features, the light brick there. The measurements, a whopping 68 centimeters high. Then you can obviously add on the motors and the power up app to power it. Yeah, let's crack it open, shall we? Right, that's bag one done. It features the graveyard at the front there. It's got the bat figurine on top of the gravestone, pumpkin, a couple of dead weeds coming up there. Nice bit of window decoration on the top there. It's got a gravestone with the initials TC printed on it, and that I know for a fact that stands for Tiago Centurino, but a guy who used to work for Lego, who's no more, so it's quite apt for having that there. Have a closer look there. Oh, nice. Spin it around. You've got just a bare interior at the moment. Yeah, right, bag number two. There's bag number two. It's the first side of the mechanism, which makes the lift go up and down. Just a couple of cogs in there at the moment. Bag number two, starting to take shape quite nicely. Okay, on to bag number three. 3 done. As you can see, it puts the main cog in the middle there. Little mechanism that locks it into place so you can't basically turn it anymore. Go back into that. You've got the ticket desk there, with the ticket and the bottle and the light or the crystal, and then the actual ride mechanism itself in the centre there. Bag number 4. So now we've got the big wheels here that absorb all the energy when the lift comes down, and there we go. It's quite impressive, isn't it? There's quite a lot of tension on there, to be honest. Done a very good job. Now on to bag number 6. Bag number 6 completed. Got the top of the elevator shaft there. Couple of roof or ceiling plates just to make the floor. Got the hieroglyphs there. And you open up this. You got the organ, which I really like. Really fun build that was. Got the keys. It's even got the green in between the keys there. just like in real life organs. To bag number 7 now. So that is bag number 7 done. It's got the top window here, the ornate decoration on top there. The front doors, is there. It's very smart. Open it up. Chandelier. Now the back of the door is finished, but it looks quite ugly in my opinion. Should have finished it off with some curved tiles or similar. But you turn this little knob here and the doors swing open. Quite effective. Really nice action. And then swing it around and we have the chimney coming together there. There we go. So that is bag number 7 completed. So that's bag number 8 finished. Adds the top windows, the ornate sill there on top, and 2 tiles there on the sides. Continues up from the floor. You head inside. You've got 2 heads of Anubis from a 1990s set. A callback to a classic set there. Very cool. And you've got the added bricks on top for the next floor, which is bag number 9, I believe. Starting to look very good. On to bag number 9. we built the Pharaoh's head, which is the main feature when you walk into the old building. Constructed the sides there, more windows. So yeah, I forgot to point out this is the obelisk of evil, and from top to bottom it's OGEL, which obviously spells Lego backwards, so nice little feature. On to bag number 10. So that was bag 10 completed. Got the first piece of the roof going on there. Spider's web, move further down. Got a few hidden treasures, again from the 90s, Lego 90s sets, adventurers and all that. It's quite nice. I must say the roof was very tricky to put on. I struggled with the hinge bits at the back there to line up, and it also clips onto this bit here, and it's very tricky, very fiddly. But all in all, the roof is starting to look very good. There we go, look. Fits snugly into the gutter there. Very nice touch. On to bag number 11 now. Bag number 11 finished. Added more windows. Big window in the front there. Little shelf and the olive green angled bits on the side. Looks very nice. Bit of an ornate shelf there. Very good. On to bag 12. So that's bag number 12 done. We've added the spires up there. Come down and the roof. Very nice angles. More of the olive green bricks there. There is one concern And there's a slight gap there. I mean, it's quite solid, but just the gap's a bit worrying. But yeah, really starting to take shape now. Let's open this up, and we've got a couple more Easter eggs there from the 90s. Got the snake and the table, and this guy hanging about. Supposedly he's one of the twins that has met his demise. On the box art, there's only one twin depicted, so this could be the other one maybe. Again, the roof was a little bit tricky to attach. And you've got the camera there that takes the pictures when you're coming down the elevator. And that's bag number 12 done. On to bag number 13. Number 13 done. That's the two sides of the roof there. The Manor von Baron sign and the stained glass. And a reference there to Batlord from the old 90s sets again. Open it up. Got the light brick. Test that out. Very well designed ornate frame. Looks great. And you press the sign on the front. Activates the button. Bag number 14 then. Let's go. Bag number 14 done. That bag was purely just one layer of the tower. Got some details there. Ornate windowsills, more windows. Bag number 15. So bag 15 done, another level to the tower. It's getting very repetitive now because you've got these bits to make all the way down. Four sets of windows and ledges to make. It's quite repetitive, to be honest. So hopefully bag 16 will change it up slightly, but who knows. Bag 16 done. A little bit less repetitive because you've got the doors that obviously swing open here. Not quite secure yet. Again, this is very repetitive. So, but yeah, taking shape, very tall. Got the chain in place. That was somewhat troublesome to fasten because the chain has a little bit of give, so you need to kind of stretch it slightly. It all works. Bag 17. Bag 17 done. Got the top of the roof done, the spire. Very cool looking roof. Then on each side, we've got the finishing tiles to finish it off. On to the last bag, bag number 18. My final thoughts on this build are it's very enjoyable, somewhat repetitive in trying to create the corners here, the corner pieces. There's a few interesting techniques being used. The whole chain mechanism and the flywheels is very interesting. I like the way they've done that. The minifigures, not too impressive. Kind of standard city minifigures really, but the inclusion of the wheelchair guy and the wheelchair ramp into the building is a very nice touch. I really like all the Easter eggs that are included in the set, and of course you've got the light brick. Got the light brick there, which comes on and off. Yeah. The freefall lift works really well. The inclusion of the easy access to put the motor onto the lift is very nice. I like it when it's all easy and straightforward. Yeah, I mean, thumbs up from me, 10 out of 10. Impressed with the whole build. Price range is okay, £209 retail. For just under 3,300 bricks. It's very well done. The colours are nice. Yeah, great job Lego, thank you. Right, I just wanted to do a quick comparison between the Assembly Square set and the Haunted House. There's a lot of people saying it's not quite the same scale, or something slightly off about the Haunted House, maybe a bit too big, possibly. In my honest opinion, I think it does suit quite well together, and I can personally see in my cityscape, I may remove the top 3 floors of the tower, just bring the spire roof down so it's level with the top of the angled roof there, because I mean technically it is a fairground ride and freefall lift, but in a cityscape it's just too tall really. So yeah, in my city I'm just going to lower it down slightly, but I mean the actual scale and the look of them together, to me it suits okay. Good job, basically. Yeah, very pleased indeed. Let's go. Look at this. Do you like it?
How do you put it up?
Do you like it?
How do you put it up?
Well, this one, as you can see, opens the doors.
Put it open and then
you fold it like this.
Wow. Oh,
Look
there's
at
a
that.
father.
What do you see? Got the ticket seller. Yeah, that's one of the twins. He's out the front as well. Open doors, look, there he is. There's 2 of them. And then you go up here.
Daddy.
That's the light brick, really.
How can you do it behind?
There's a button behind.
Oh.
I'll show you, look.
Yeah.
Push fingers. The sign is the button. See? That's good, isn't it? There's a ghost. Do you want to see the lift?
What?
Do you want to see the lift?
How do you, is
Okay.
it just to lift up?
You put people in it.
And then it goes up.
You see the people in there? Up to the
Yeah.
top. Can you see them?
And then drop it.
And Whoa!
Oh.
Should put some people in it.
Yeah. Is that the motor?
Yeah, it's a very small motor.
Or how do you turn it on?
So put it over here like this. Look at that. Look at the chain.
How you do the motor?
So we put this one on the side here. It's all very well done. And then turn it on. And now it goes up on its own. Good, isn't it? You like it? Yeah? So cool, isn't it? You like it? Thank you for joining me. Please head over to the website, thebrickpost.com. Also see our Instagram and Facebook where you can find all the latest news, reviews and more. It's been a great build, super enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.